up. Oh, I'm gonna go LNL. You buckle up? I'm gonna go LNL and buy food for mommy.
Do you wanna say hi to my friends? Yeah. Okay. Here, Daddy. Thank you, bye-bye. Thank you for my goodies.
Okay.
Welcome to our cars again for your car wash purchase. And have a great day.
What?
Look, they have colors too. Make sure all their doors are closed, right?
Hi guys, today I'm the car rush, and we went to the car rush because it was not scary for me. And guess what? I'm 6 years old already, and I have something over here, so I can do something, and I'll open it for you. So it's gonna be a literally big surprise, empty, and then it's going to be really magic. You're not going to see this. Stop it. Looking. I already see it. Okay, first I'll open this. Okay, close it. Open. Ta-da! Look, guys. It's something can. This is a chocolate. Thank you for watching. Bye.